Alright, so I cleaned the kitchen, so now it's time for me to make a little bit, well, something to eat. I'm only going to use part of this chicken breast because I'm making some hot and sour soup for dinner. So I'm just going to cut up this part. Alright. So I'm having a little bit of salad, the sunflower bacon crunch. And I'm having about half the bag. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love the salad. I just don't use the dressing. It just reminds me of slime or something. I can't explain it. I just don't like the dressing that comes with it. So I'm using half of the sunflower seeds. Oh shit. Half of the bacon bits. I'm going to put my chicken up there. And then I'm going to shred a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top of it. I'm going to shred a little bit of Parmesan cheese on it. Alright. And for dressing, I'm using my creamy Caesar dressing. Alright, so that's what I'm going to eat for right now, and then I'll be back when I get ready to make my dinner. I went to Trader Joe's and I grabbed a couple of things. I got some spicy Mexican style rice cauliflower, some cauliflower stir fry, some kebabs, some type of cauliflower bowl, and some ranch seasoning. I also got some flowers and one of those cinnamon broomsticks that come out around this time of year. And I got a couple of other things, but this was the stuff that I got that was keto friendly, so I wanted to share that with you.